Hi guys, it's Lorraine here from makemoneyonline-niches.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I review digital products and softwares in affiliate marketing and help you to make more money online. Today I am going to review a product that can help anyone to make money online, and that product is called Testorama. Now the product goes live today, Tuesday the 13th of September at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. So I believe that's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon in UK and Spain, 3-4 o'clock. So this product is being launched by three of my friends. There is Sulik and Kieran and Jorge. And what I want to do is take you through the sales page, have a look at the sales page first and tell you more about what this product is about, and then go over and have a look at my bonus page. And I do have access to the members dashboard, and so we can have a quick look at the members dashboard at the end of my video. Okay, so let's go over and take a look at the sales page for Testorama. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Testorama. Now, this is obviously a training course and it's delivered by Sulik. And basically, we can take a look at this sales page and have a look about what this is about. So the claims here are how they made $10 in 10 minutes using a simple internet connection. And this is not making commissions with affiliate marketing. So let's make this clear straight away. This is not affiliate marketing. It's not making commissions. It's actually earning a fee or a reward. And we can take a look at the membership later. So what the training is going to do is going to show you where and how you can do that. And it's going to be a step by step, okay? So this is for anyone, all right, who actually wants to make some extra money online. Now, it's not like get rich quick. It's nothing to do with any hype or anything. This is an opportunity to sign up for various websites and actually do something and then be paid in rewards and payments, fees. So you could do it over and over again, and there can be some serious money, whether you are brand new or a pro at making money online. You can still take part in this particular way of earning money online. And saying you can do it in your pajamas, obviously. You don't need any tech skills, and it's very easy to do. There's no investment, there's no monthly fees, you don't have to be building an email list, and it's basically just pure profit for the time that you invest, right? And they've got some proof on their website here. So you can see there's 54449 that some individuals earned there. And there's these ones here where they've been paid to 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 all the way down. And then again on this side. So they have got these testimonials of obviously the proof of the earnings, okay? So what they're saying, it's very easy to do this, and it works in 2 easy steps. First of all, you answer a few questions and then you get paid. So it's as simple as that. And there is a video on the sales page, and this is introducing Testorama by Kieran Hogg, which it is also on my bonus page. So I do encourage you, click through onto my link in the bonus page and take a look at the video that's there. So very easy way to make money, and obviously people are struggling at the minute because Fuel's rising, shopping, when you go shopping, everything's going up and people are being squeezed. I mean, we've just come out of like COVID where people have lost a lot of money in businesses, and everyone's looking at different methods and ways to start earning more money. And this training course is going to deliver an opportunity where you can actually sign in, sign up, and then get going and start earning some money online. So let's have a look now at the my bonus page, and the bonuses I have available if you decide to click through and purchase Testorama today. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page for Testorama, and this is going live today, so you'll be able to pick up a copy of Testorama by clicking through in the first link in the description box to my bonus page and use any of the buttons to click through to the sales page for Testorama. Now, the launch is going to be in this price until the 17th of September, and my bonuses will be going away after that date. So I encourage you, if you decide that it's something that was of interest, to make an early decision before the bonuses disappear. Okay, so this is my bonus page for Testorama. Let's take a look at what it's all about. So, like I said, it is a way that you can start to make some money online. It's not affiliate marketing. You don't need a website. You don't need to build any emails. You don't need any technical skills. What you need to do is basically follow the step-by-step training when you sign up to the different websites which you're going to be shown in this training, and then start doing simple tasks online, where those tasks are then paid by the companies, and you receive that money. And there's obviously no other fees involved. You don't have to pay anything else to actually join and start to earn. Okay, so let's have a look at what is in the funnel for Testorama, because the front end price is $11.95. You've got an upgrade of $19.95, which is for Testorama Pro. Then you've got a second upgrade, which is Marketing Magic. And the guys have put together this upgrade to help you basically look at more marketing opportunities. Now that's it's $2.95 for the first month. Then there's a 7-day free trial, but then after that it's $7.95 a month. Okay. Then the upgrade 3 is reseller rights to this particular course and training, where you can then have that as your course that you can sell to your tribe, group, clients, customers, whatever. And then upgrade 4 is Profit Pack, which is $37.95. And the reseller rights, is $49.95. Then upgrade 5 is Elite Mastery, and this is $295.95. Now, basically, the Elite Mastery is a coaching to help you to move forward from this into making more money online via affiliate marketing and getting the help from the guys who already do affiliate marketing online. So if you click through to my bonus page, you'll get further details of everything that I've just talked about there. As you can see, I've wrote it down for you there, so you can find out, read it at your leisure and find out a bit more. So, vendor bonuses. The following 5 bonuses are available on the purchase of this product. 6-minute profits, Testorama Mastery, a 15-minute call with the creators, the 6-figure super affiliate training, backlink warrior, and the breakout code. So those are the bonuses that are available from the vendor if you decide to make a purchase of Testorama. And here are some of the key benefits that you could be interested in if you go forward with this. There's no further investment and there's no monthly fees. There's no hidden costs. It's beginner friendly. You can earn money in just a few minutes after being set up. It's easily done from a computer or a phone. You don't need to make any videos. You don't need to have any technical knowledge. And it works for basically most likely anyone at any age. And you can be in your pajamas drinking coffee if you want. And there's proof, like we've just seen, from the sales page. Then I have the video introduced by Kieran Hogg. So I do encourage you to click on the link, check out the video of Kieran talking about the product that they've put together for you. And any of the orange buttons on this page will take you through to the sales page so that you can actually do a checkout and more due diligence. And if you want to buy, you can purchase. So what are my bonuses? Bonus 1, I've got a page builder tutorial. So if you pick up this product and you decide that you want to actually take online business more seriously, then this bonus will help you to get started, basically, a foot in the door. Bonus number 2 is a marketing bundle. And basically you've got the different methods that you can use for marketing, like Facebook, you can WordPress, email, YouTube. So this is the marketing bundle. And then I have bonus 3, which is how to accelerate Instagram traffic. And my bonus 4 is high ticket mastery. Now this is involving ClickBank, and basically how that you can use affiliate marketing to sell higher priced affiliate training courses or even physical products, because ClickBank has physical products in various niches like health and wellness, vitamins, things like that. So that is the high ticket mastery. And you would get access to all of the vendor bonuses, like we've just said. And this is available throughout the launch. So it's 4 days and 21 hours of the launch period, and it goes live today. Now this is a Warrior Plus offer, so if you did pick up this product, there would be a blue button on a receipt at the bottom, and that's where you would pick up the bonuses, okay? And that is my bonus page. So we've come to the end of that. So what's left is just to quickly take a look at the members dashboard and what's inside of the members area. We can't show you the videos, obviously, but we can take a look around. Okay, so this is the members dashboard for Testorama. And as you can see, all of the training is down on this left hand side. They've talk about different websites that you can actually join and start. Basically, once you've joined, you start to do small tasks, and those small tasks are for various different companies, and they basically then you get paid, okay, after you've done the tasks. And it's all explained in these short videos, which I've had a quick look at myself, and so I know how it works. So first of all, there is the welcome part, and you have the 3 creators of the product, which is Sulik, Kieran and Jorge. Then you're invited to join them on their Facebook pages and their YouTube channels. So that is the welcome from these 3 affiliate marketers. And then you've got important information. You've got website 1, website 2, website 3 and website 4. Then you've got the upsells, the pro version, the magic tools, the reseller option, the profit pack, and then you've got the bonuses here and the upgrade. So basically you've got the bonuses that we were talking about before, 25 ways to get traffic and referrals. You need to get the pro to get access to the bonus. You've got magic tools bonus, and basically everything that we were talking about. Then you've got upgrades, you've got that, and you've got support, so you can actually go through all of this yourself. And like I said, with this product, it's not affiliate marketing. It is about websites where that you register and apply for different projects, and once you've done a couple of projects, then you will earn the money. Okay, so it starts around $10, and some of them can go up to $30 for each project that you actually complete. So that's basically it. Now don't forget that this is launching today, and you have a four-day period starting today to actually pick up the product through my link, which is the first link in the description box, and get access to my bonuses if you decide to make a purchase of Testorama. Okay, so I encourage you to click through my bonus page and watch Kieran explain Testorama in this video. Alright, so that is in a nutshell the Testorama, which launches today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.